Star Plus will soon be coming up with its new show Aram, which has come straight from KV Vijayendra, who's done the scripting for the blockbuster film Bahubali and Bahubali The Conclusion. This show is based on the war between the Aryans and Dravidians. The story is all about Dev Sena, which is played by Kartika Nair, and the other is Varun Dev, which is played by Rajneesh Duggal. The most interesting part about the show is the actors of the show are mostly from the film industry. Tanuja Mukherjee, a well-known film actress, will make her debut in television with this show and will be seen playing the role of Hahuma, who helps the people to see the future. On the other hand, we have Kritika Nair, who is also a South Indian actress. So now let's hear all about the show from Kritika Nair herself.
It's absolutely the script, the story, the character. It is so powerful. And yes, I am from the film industry. So for an actress to do from movies to television, it is like a big deal. But now it's like, why aren't more people doing it? Because it's, in the end of the day, it's all about the characters. So if you have such an amazing character, like there's a very thin line between TV and film nowadays, and the budget of Aram is humongous. So when I'm every day on set, I'm treated like a princess. So it's like that, like, because I know what is it in movies, and now it's like there's no difference at all, because Goldie Ji, he is so fab. Like each and every shot, he takes it so well, and with like so much of time and money spent, it's like, you know, it makes it worth it. So for me, of course, I mean, मैं बॉम्बे में पली बड़ी हूँ, तो आई एम अ मुंबईकर. तो मैंने कभी बॉलीवुड, like because I am from South, मेरी मम्मी, like she was a huge star in South, so I got like my entry in South industry when I never tried. But so तब से लेके अब तक I've done very limited roles, like even like one movie a year, just because of the respect of the character. So जब ये script आया, and that too Vijayendra Prasad sir had written it, and Vijayendra sir writes only the best. So when I heard Dev Sena's story, I was like blown away. I'm like, okay. And आजकल movie बनाने के लिए, like a good film takes a year, and this is like an 8 months, and it's a limited episode series. So yeah, it's a finite series. So there is a start and there's an end. It's not something you just stretch it. So each and every episode is gonna make you lose your breath. Exactly. Because of this. No. Because even movies भी जो मैंने अभी तक किया है South में, I've done shows which took a year to do. So for me, it's all about the process, it's the journey. So every day I'm like learning something or the other. It's like heart and soul for Dev Sena. Oh my God. Yes, that is the biggest task. So this outfit you see is just one-off. It's sirf abhi, this coronation outfit ke liye you'll see Dev Sena like this, because she is a sporty and adventurous princess. She was before she becomes a queen. So even after she becomes the queen, you see her costume, except for this one, is the same as her princess getup. She doesn't really love dressing up. It's going to be the same casual, sporty look. But तो हाँ, thank God, like it's not as heavy as this, because action करना होता है, stunts होता है, तो it has to be according to that. But yeah, jeans और t-shirt का comfort तो नहीं होगा. So yeah. Of course, like it's a female-dominated set most of the time when I'm there. So because Aryans का जो shoot होता है Rajneesh, and the troupe is separate, so we hardly have few scenes till now together. So it's a completely female-dominated set. So Goldie G's are like Goldie G and all the ADs are like the only men on set. So yeah, it's fun, and of course my dad, a character played by the amazing Joy Sen Gupta. So I'm like a huge fan. So he brings that freshness on set. So yeah, I would love to say the viewers of India Forum, please do watch Aram. It's India's most largest show, and you will know why after watching it.
We hope that this show makes a great impact on the audience. India Forums wishes the team all the very best. For more updates on your favorite show, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best.
Hi viewers, I'm Kartika Nair, and you're watching me on India Forum.
Ashima Chavra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.